what is a neighborhood? Show your thumb to me. Very good. Everyone should keep your video on. Okay, Jishwita, many more happy returns of the day, Nana. Yes, wish your friend a happy birthday, children.
Happy birthday, Jasmita.
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 Happy
Very
birthday.
good.
Happy birthday.
Very good. So
Happy
sweet of
birthday.
you. Very good. Yes. Okay. Yes, children, see now. Who are the people who live and work in and around your home or neighborhood? Yes, which people you will see in and around your house?
Some important people in our neighborhood are
Yes.
postman,
Very
doctor,
good.
postman, cleaner, cobbler, gardener, shopkeeper, and teacher.
Super. Fantastic.
Policeman, doctor, teacher, gardener, postman.
Yes, anything of these you can write, okay? Yes, which are the important places in a neighborhood? Yeah, can you say? The important places in a neighborhood are?
The
What are the important places
in a neighborhood are hospital, bank, police station,
Yes.
Post office.
Yes.
Important places in a neighborhood are hospital, police
etc.
station, and post office, park, etc.
Hospital,
Different ways.
Yes, I muted all the participants. Okay. Now everyone should open your mouth louder and say the answer. Then the other people will not get any disturbance. Okay? Yes, children. Everyone, read the important places in a neighborhood are. What are the important places, Nana? మీ ఇంటి దగ్గర ఏ ప్లేసెస్ అయితే చూస్తారు హాస్పిటల్ ఎస్ ఆర్ నో when you are coming to school or when you are going to any place will you see the hospital? Yes or no, children? Yes. And everyone you have to read with the spellings, okay? Yes, Aradhya, very good morning. Okay, children. Hospital you will see banks. Will you see banks? Yes, banks you will see, police station you will see, post office, parks, etc. They help us in different ways. Yes or no? అవునా మీ అందరికీ డిఫరెంట్ సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ ఫీలింగ్ వెల్ వేర్ యూ విల్ గో టు పోస్ట్ ఆఫీస్ యూ విల్ గో అనా or to police station you will go where you will go yeah yes hospital very good you will go to hospital suppose if you want to take any amount where you will you go to hospital you want amount yes bank you will go suppose you want to play okay, where you will go? If you want to play, will you go to police station or will you go to bank and play there? Where you will go? Very good. Park. Superb. So, if any theft మీ చైన్ లాగేశారు నాన్న ఎవరికి వెళ్ళి కంప్లైంట్ ఇస్తారు పోస్ట్ ఆఫీస్ లోకి వెళ్ళి కంప్లైంట్ ఇస్తారా మీరు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తారు నాన్న ఎస్ వేర్ యూ విల్ గో Yes, police station. Superb. So now, did you all understand what are the important places in a neighborhood? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Now you say, explain what would happen if there were no doctors. Doctors లేరనుకోండి ఏమవుతుంది? If there were no doctors, no one will treat us. Yes or no? డాక్టర్ లేకపోతే మీకు ఎవరైనా ట్రీట్ చేస్తారా? No. If there were no policemen, no one will protect us. Yes or no? పోలీస్మెన్ లేకపోతే మన ఎవరు ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేయలేరు. If there were no teachers, no one will teach us. టీచర్ లేకపోతే మీకు ఇలా ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ జరుగుతాయా నాన్న? No. So if there were no postman, no one will bring letters. So read this answer. I am giving 2 minutes time for you to read this answer. Who got? You can show your thumb to me. Everyone, read block 5, fourth question and answer. Read loudly. I muted all the participants. You will not get any disturbance, no? So read louder. గట్టిగా చదవాలి. Yes, read. Everyone, keep your video on and read loudly. Chaitra, keep your video on. Chaitra. Aradhya, Sakshit, Navya. Who is this Excel 2? I think Yakub. Keep your video on, Nana. Galaxy J2. Who is this? Hemant. Keep your video on and read the question and answers. Read, Tanish. Read. Yes, Aravind. Very good. Read. Jeshwita, read. Kartikeya, read. Who got the answer? You have to show your thumb to me. Then I will say the next question. Very good, Fatima. Chaitra, very good. Navya, keep your video on, Navya. Will you give respect to elders? Yes? Or you will fight with your sister? What you will do? Will you respect your elders, Nana? You will not give any respect. Respect ఇవ్వరా కొట్టేసుకుంటారా? Yes, Akshara. What you will do? You will play with your sister or you will give respect to your sister? Yes, Pragna. You will play with your sister? Say, I can hear you. Oh, you will give respect? Wow, superb. Okay, we learn to do things on time. Yes or no? Before the time you will do all the things. Avuna? Ala on time ekkada నేర్చుకుంటారు? When you will come to school every day you will learn. Yes or no? Yes, children? Will you give respect to elders? Will you give respect to your teachers? Yes, very good. Yes, now see the next question, Nana. What are the different places in your school? What do you do there? Okay, which rooms you will see in the school? The different places in my school are classroom. Classroom లో ఏం నేర్చుకుంటారు? What you will learn, Anna? Classroom. Very good, Fatima. We learn lessons. Super. Yes. Very good, Aradhya. Yes, next, library. In library, what you will do, children? You will play there. You will play in library. What you will do in library? Yes, Chaitra, what you will do? You will read the books. Very good. Next, playground. 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 What you will do? Play games. Super. Assembly hall. Assembly hall తెలుసా? మన స్కూల్లో గుర్తుందా లేదా మీకు assembly hall? గుర్తుందా? Every day you will come out and we all stand there and we all have assembly. అవునా నాన్న? National song, one GK question, everything will be held there. Yes or no? Or suppose if any important meetings will be there, our in charge miss or our man will say there. Yes, did you remember? దీవాలి గాని వినాయక చవితికి గాని ఏనా పెట్టారనుకోండి, మీరందరూ బయటకు వచ్చేవారా క్లాస్ నుంచి? యాన్యువల్ డే కి అలా అన్ని చెప్పేవారు కదా మీకు. Yes or no? Did you remember or you forget? Yes, very good. Now you see, children, the next block. What do firefighters do? What do they use to put out fire? Yes. What do firefighters do? Very good, children. Read that answer. Firefighters put out fire. They use big engines. Firefighters use long water pipes to put water on the fire. Read that answer. చదవాలి, గట్టిగా చదవాలి. Yes, read. Who is this? Lenovo Tab 8. Everyone should rename yourself. Yes, Anushvi, rename yourself. Hemant, read. Zainab, you got the answer. Very good. Pragna, read. Ishwari, what you are doing? Who got that answer? Read the second one, Nana. What is a fire station? A place where fire engines are kept is a fire station. You have to read with spellings, okay? Very good. Very good, Akshara. Aniket got very good. Those who got, you can go to the next question. Why do we put stamp on letters? Letters మీద స్టాంప్ ఎందుకు వేస్తాం నాన్న? to pay for the services of the post office. Services spelling you see, services. Which festival will be celebrated by us? ఏ ఫెస్టివల్ సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటాం నాన్న రేపటి నుంచి? నవ్య, why you are laughing when the class is going on? Bihu festival. Oho, okay. Pongal, very good. Sankranti, yes, very good. Is Pongal a religious festival or harvest festival, Nana? Yes, Hasini, superb. The postman will bring the letters. Yes, harvest festivals. Yeah, very good. Now you see how the gardener will help us. Gardener. What he will do? Do you know gardener? What he will do? Yes, Ishwari. Gardener ఏం చేస్తారు నాన్న? You know? You know Ishwari? No. Gardener అంటే ఎవరు? ఏం చేస్తారు అతను? He will take care of the plant. Okay, he will keep the water. Okay now? He will water the plants. Clear? Yes, very good. Cleaner. What the cleaner will do? How he help us? Yes, yes. Hemant, say how the cleaner help us? In what way he help us? Clean our home. Tanish, very good. Yes. Yeah, very good. He will clean our house or sometime outside you will see the cleaner. Yes or no? Sweeper, cleaner. What they will do? They will clean the road. Yes or no? Will you see? But chustara nana? Yes, very good. Yeah, cobbler. What he will do? How he help us? Cobbler. Yes, Navya. Say. Cut hair. Chichi, no. Cut hair means barber. He will not cut our hair. Barber will cut our hair. I ask cobbler. Cobbler will mend our shoes. Okay now? Yes, Hasini, did you understood the difference between cobbler and barber? అర్థమైందా నాన్న? Yes, he will mend our shoes. He will not cut our hair. Okay? Yes, very good. Now children, I will ask you some. Yeah, can you give any 2 reasons for coming to school? మనం స్కూల్ కి ఎందుకు వస్తామో చెప్తారా? ఎనీ 2 reasons? Yes, everyone should write in the chat box. I will not mute you because you're all, I can't hear your voice. Oh. Yes, children, you have to say any 2 reasons for coming to school. Very good. To respect elders. Yes. What are the other things that, yeah, to learn the new lessons. Superb. Aravind, that is your phone network problem. Children, everyone, can you hear my voice? Is it audible for you all? Nana, andarki vinipistunda? What I am saying? Yes, you can learn the knowledge. Yeah, very good. To learn new things. Very good. Yes. To read. Yeah. Yes. So these are all the things that you can, that are the reasons to come to school. Yes, very good. Now, we need to keep money safe. Yes or no? Yes, Pragna, very good. We learn to behave well. We should give respect to all. Yeah. These are the reasons. Yes. Children, now you say we need to keep money safe. Yes or no? Now you have to say, write any 2 points. How we can keep our money safe? Is it important to keep our money safe or not? If yes, how? Yes. You're all saying yes, miss. Yes, it is important to keep our money safe. You have to say any 2 reasons. No need to rejoin. You have to read the worksheet as well as CW. Okay, children? No need to rejoin. These are all I gave revision. మీకు రివైజ్ అయిన బ్లాక్స్ కదా నాన్న, మీకు ఫెస్టివల్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా తెలుసు, and how the people, see children, I am asking the question, how are tribal people different from people living in village? చెప్తారా? ట్రైబల్ పీపుల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటారు నాన్న? In which area they will live? Tribal people. Yes, Vignesh, keep your video on. Agency area, very good. Forest, very good. Hilly areas, forest lo untaru. Avuna? They will depend on forest to earn their money. Avuna kada? They are depending on the forest. Why? Because to earn the money. Now, village. Village people, where they live? Village people. Village people lives in village only and connected to people outside from their needs. They can come to cities and they can buy whatever they want. Avuna kada? Yes or no, children? Yes, very good. Now you say, what are the people? Okay. Can you say any 2 differences between large village and small village? Large village, small village. Yeah. Would you type Akshara? Is this the code language? చెప్తారా నాన్న? You have to see the difference between large village and small village. Large village లో ఏం చూస్తాం నాన్న? We can see buses, bikes, school, hospital or weekly market. Suppose in small village there will be no school. Everything, if they want to come out, they have to go with bullock cart or cycle. Okay? And here the houses are cement house. But in small village, the houses will be the mud house. Yes or no? Avuna? Avuna? Yes or no, children? Yes, very good. So children who celebrate Eid, you said Muslims. Who will celebrate Gurpurab? Gurpurab. Who will celebrate Gurpurab? Aniket, what you are doing? Playing. Then why you are laughing in the class? ఎవరు సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటారు గురుపురబ్? రైట్ డౌన్ ఇన్ ద చాట్ బాక్స్. Muslims will celebrate Gurpurab. No. Then who will celebrate? Oi, this is not 6. SIKHS. Hare, 6 not Nana. Yeah, SIKHS. This is not the spelling, Aniket. 6 అంటే నెంబర్ కాదు, 6 అంటే అదొక రిలీజియన్. ఓకే, సిక్ పీపుల్. సిక్ పీపుల్ అంటే ఏంటి? SICK. వాళ్ళు వీక్ గా ఉండవు అనమాట. దిస్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెంట్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద రిలీజియన్. How the Hindus, how the Muslims, Christians, like that 6 people also will be there. Okay, don't write SIX6. Don't write SICKS also. Okay, SIKHS. Say everyone. SIKHS. Very good. Yeah. Okay, children, will you all read? Chadukuntara? By sharp 1:30, everyone should log in with the same ID. ఎవరైతే 1:30కి వస్తారో వాళ్ళకే DRT will be conducted. Who will come by 1:35, 1:40, 1:50, for them no DRT and I will not correct their paper also. Clear? Is my voice clear for you all children? అర్థమైందా? అందరికీ చెప్తున్నాను, 1:30కి ఎవరైతే వస్తారో వాళ్ళకే క్లాస్ ఉంటుంది. DRT will be conducted. Who will come late, for them no DRT and I will not correct their paper also. Okay na children? Again no need to rejoin. Okay? Everyone should practice well and I wish you all happy Pongal. Okay na children? Clear? Very good Yashvita. అర్థమైందా నాన్న? ఓకే, ఎస్. ఎన్నింటికి రావాలి మధ్యాహ్నం డిఆర్టీకి? Yes, at what time you have to come to write DRT? Yes. Are you having any doubt regarding these 5 blocks, children? If you are having any doubt, you can ask me. Any doubts unnaya nanna?
The TV should come.
No doubts? All are clear? Chadutara?
Yes, happy Pongal.
Very good. Yeah, wish you all the
Happy
same.
Sankranti. Wish you happy Pongal.
Okay.
Yes, wish you happy Pongal.
Wish you happy Pongal, miss.
Right,
Happy Pongal.
Yes,
happy
Pongal.
yeah, wish you the same.
Happy Pongal.
Yeah,
Feel like my name is Happy Pongal.
the same.
Yes, feel like my name is Pongal.
It's Aniket, who sat beside you, Aniket? See how he is sitting.
Feel like my name.
Where's my